To get started, I would recommend that you get a completely free Gold IRA guide that is written by the best and most trusted Gold IRA company that I have found after over 20 years as an expert independent gold researcher. This free Gold IRA guide will explain everything you need to know and will also answer any questions you may have about gold IRAs. This is the best guide I have seen in my lifetime as an expert independent gold researcher with more than 20 years of experience, and this is the best guide available anywhere in my opinion. Also, when you get this free Gold IRA guide, you will get free access to the top Gold IRA experts who will provide you with personalized support and help over the phone, and they will answer any questions you may have. To get this top free Gold IRA guide, simply go to the link that is in the episode show notes or go to the link that is in the episode description. So again, to get this top free Gold IRA guide, simply go to the link that is in the episode show notes or go to the link that is in the episode description. This free guide is really worth getting. Simply go to the link that is in the episode show notes or go to the link that is in the episode description. Also, this audiobook is not financial, investment, or tax advice. For financial, investment, or tax advice, consult a financial, investment, or tax advisor and take full responsibility for any decision you make. Okay, let's start the audiobook. Home Storage Gold IRA, Precious Metals IRA Accounts, Gold IRA, taking control of your retirement security and building a golden nest egg. In an era defined by economic uncertainties, fluctuating markets, and the erosion of faith in traditional financial institutions, savvy investors are increasingly seeking tangible, secure, and self-directed pathways to retirement security. Enter the Home Storage Gold IRA, also known as a Precious Metals IRA account, or simply a Gold IRA. This powerful and often misunderstood financial instrument offers a unique opportunity to diversify your retirement portfolio, safeguard your wealth against inflation and economic turmoil, and take direct control of your precious metal assets. While the term home storage might sound unconventional at first glance, it's a legitimate and IRS-compliant strategy when executed correctly. This in-depth exploration will illuminate the world of home storage gold IRAs, delving into their mechanics, benefits, considerations, and why they are increasingly becoming the preferred choice for individuals seeking true financial sovereignty and a golden retirement future. Understanding the allure of gold in retirement planning. Before we dive into the intricacies of home storage gold IRAs, it's crucial to understand why gold, and precious metals in general, have held a prominent place in personal finance and retirement strategies for centuries. Gold is not merely a shiny metal. It's a time-tested store of value, a hedge against economic instability, and a portfolio diversifier unlike any other asset class. A hedge against inflation. One of gold's most compelling attributes is its inherent ability to act as a shield against inflation. Historically, as the purchasing power of fiat currencies decreases due to inflation, the price of gold tends to rise. This inverse relationship stems from gold's limited supply and intrinsic value, making it a safe haven asset during inflationary periods when paper currencies lose their appeal. When inflation erodes the value of your dollar-denominated investments, gold can act as a counterbalance, preserving and even enhancing your wealth. Protection during economic uncertainty and market volatility. In times of economic recession, geopolitical instability, or stock market crashes, investors often flock to safe haven assets. Gold is the quintessential safe haven. Its value tends to hold firm or even increase when other assets falter. During periods of market turmoil, investors seeking stability and preservation of capital often rotate out of volatile stocks and bonds and into gold, driving up its demand and price. A gold IRA provides a vital buffer against market downturns and economic shocks that can decimate traditional retirement accounts heavily invested in equities. Portfolio diversification and reduced volatility. Modern portfolio theory emphasizes the importance of diversification to reduce risk and enhance returns. Gold, with its historically low correlation to stocks and bonds, is an excellent diversifier. Adding gold to a retirement portfolio can significantly reduce overall portfolio volatility. When stocks and bonds are underperforming, gold can often provide positive returns, smoothing out the overall performance of your retirement savings and mitigating the impact of market swings on your long-term financial security. Tangible asset and finite supply. Unlike paper currencies, which can be printed at will by central banks, or digital assets whose value can be based on speculative sentiment, gold is a tangible, physical asset with a finite supply. This inherent scarcity contributes to its enduring value. Owning physical gold provides a sense of security and control that is lacking with purely digital or paper-based investments. In a world increasingly reliant on digital systems and facing potential cyber vulnerabilities, the tangible nature of gold offers a reassuring sense of permanence and security. Global store of value and universal recognition. Gold is recognized and valued globally, transcending national borders and currency fluctuations. Its inherent value is not dependent on any single government or financial institution. This universal acceptance makes gold a highly liquid and readily exchangeable asset, offering peace of mind in a world of fluctuating geopolitical landscapes and currency uncertainties. In times of global economic instability, the universal appeal of gold as a store of value strengthens its position as a reliable and resilient asset. What is a Home Storage Gold IRA? Unveiling the concept. Now that we understand the fundamental appeal of gold for retirement planning, let's delve into the specifics of a Home Storage Gold IRA. At its core, a Home Storage Gold IRA is a self-directed individual retirement account that allows you to hold physical gold, silver, platinum, and palladium within your retirement portfolio. The home storage aspect, however, is where the nuance lies. While the term home storage might be slightly misleading in its literal interpretation, it refers to a specific IRS-compliant structure that allows for the physical safekeeping of your precious metals outside of a traditional bank or depository. It's crucial to understand that you cannot simply hold gold coins you already own in your IRA or directly store newly purchased IRA gold in your home. This would violate IRS regulations and trigger immediate taxation and penalties. The legitimate and IRS-approved Home Storage Gold IRA operates through a legal entity, typically a limited liability company, LLC, that you establish and control. Here's the breakdown of the process. Establish a self-directed IRA. The foundation of a Home Storage Gold IRA is a self-directed IRA. Unlike traditional IRAs that typically limit investment options to stocks, bonds, and mutual funds, a self-directed IRA empowers you to invest in a broader range of assets, including precious metals, real estate, and private businesses. You will need to work with a self-directed IRA custodian, a specialized financial institution that facilitates the establishment and administration of these unique accounts. Form a limited liability company, LLC. This is the critical step that distinguishes a Home Storage Gold IRA and makes it IRS compliant. You will create an LLC, often referred to as a checkbook control LLC or Precious Metals LLC. This LLC will be owned by your self-directed IRA. You, as the IRA account holder, will typically act as the manager of the LLC, granting you control over the LLC's assets. Fund your self-directed IRA. You can fund your self-directed IRA through various methods. Rollover. Transfer funds from existing retirement accounts, such as a 401k, 403b, traditional IRA, or Roth IRA, into your self-directed IRA. Rollovers are generally tax-free and penalty-free as long as they are executed correctly. Transfer. Directly transfer funds from another IRA to your self-directed IRA. Contribution. If eligible, you can make annual contributions to your self-directed IRA, subject to IRS contribution limits. The IRA-owned LLC purchases precious metals. Once your self-directed IRA is funded, the IRA-owned LLC, under your direction as manager, uses the funds to purchase IRS-approved precious metals. These metals must meet specific purity and fineness standards set by the IRS. Common eligible precious metals include gold coins, American eagles, Canadian maple leafs, South African Krugerrands, etc. Gold bars meeting specific purity requirements. Silver coins and bars meeting specific purity requirements. Platinum and palladium coins and bars meeting specific purity requirements. Secure storage, home or alternative. This is where the home storage aspect comes into play. While the term implies storing the metals in your personal residence, it's more accurately described as non-bank or non-depository storage. The precious metals purchased by the IRA-owned LLC can be securely stored in a location of your choosing. This can be your home, using a safe or secure storage facility, but it is absolutely crucial to ensure the storage meets IRS requirements for security and segregation. It is highly recommended to consult with a specialized Home Storage Gold IRA provider and legal counsel to ensure full compliance with IRS regulations regarding secure storage and to properly document the storage arrangements. Why choose a Home Storage Gold IRA? Unveiling the powerful advantages. The Home Storage Gold IRA structure offers a compelling array of benefits that resonate with investors seeking greater control, security, and flexibility in their retirement planning. Unparalleled control and direct ownership. This is arguably the most significant advantage of a Home Storage Gold IRA. You gain direct, physical control over your retirement precious metals. Unlike traditional gold IRAs where your metals are held in the custody of a depository, with a Home Storage Gold IRA, you are in essence the custodian of your precious metals through your IRA-owned LLC. This direct control provides a sense of security and autonomy that is highly valued by many investors, particularly those who are skeptical of traditional financial institutions or desire greater self-reliance. Enhanced privacy and confidentiality. While all IRAs offer a degree of privacy, Home Storage Gold IRAs can offer an additional layer of confidentiality. Your precious metals are not held within the traditional banking or depository system, potentially offering a greater sense of privacy regarding your holdings. For individuals who value discretion and financial privacy, this aspect can be particularly appealing. Potentially reduced fees and streamlined management. While there are upfront costs associated with setting up a self-directed IRA and an LLC, in the long run, a Home Storage Gold IRA can potentially reduce ongoing fees compared to traditional gold IRAs that charge annual storage and custodian fees. Once the structure is established, the ongoing administrative costs can be lower, making it a potentially more cost-effective solution over the long term for larger precious metal holdings. Faster access and liquidity in emergencies. While IRAs are designed for long-term retirement savings and early withdrawals can trigger penalties, unless exceptions apply, in truly exceptional circumstances, having physical access to your precious metals could provide a degree of liquidity that might be unavailable with assets held within traditional financial institutions. This is not to suggest using your IRA for non-retirement expenses, but the potential for quicker access in extreme emergencies can be a comforting thought for some individuals. Greater flexibility and investment options within the IRA. The self-directed IRA framework, which is essential for a Home Storage Gold IRA, opens up a world of alternative investment possibilities beyond precious metals. Within your self-directed IRA, through your LLC structure, you could potentially invest in other assets like real estate, private lending, or even certain types of businesses, provided they meet IRS regulations. This expanded investment universe allows for greater diversification and potentially higher returns within your retirement portfolio compared to the limitations of traditional IRAs. Legacy and inheritance planning. Physical precious metals are tangible assets that can be easily passed down to future generations. A Home Storage Gold IRA, while still subject to IRA distribution rules upon inheritance, provides a clear and direct way to ensure your precious metal holdings are passed to your beneficiaries in a physical form, carrying on a legacy of tangible wealth and financial prudence. Navigating the nuances, considerations, and important caveats. While the benefits of a Home Storage Gold IRA are compelling, it's crucial to approach this strategy with meticulous planning, due diligence, and a thorough understanding of the requirements and potential challenges. IRS compliance is paramount. Absolutely non-negotiable is strict adherence to all IRS regulations. Every step, from setting up the self-directed IRA and LLC to purchasing and storing precious metals, must be meticulously executed to maintain tax-deferred status and avoid penalties. This is not a DIY project. Working with a reputable Home Storage Gold IRA provider and seeking legal and tax counsel is essential to ensure full compliance. Improperly structured Home Storage Gold IRAs can result in severe tax consequences and penalties. Secure storage is your responsibility. While home storage is in the name, the responsibility for secure storage falls squarely on your shoulders. If you choose to store the metals at home, you must invest in robust security measures, such as a high-quality safe, alarm system, and potentially insurance coverage. Alternatively, you can utilize third-party secure storage facilities, ensuring they meet IRS guidelines for segregation and security. Proper documentation of storage arrangements is crucial for IRS compliance. Complexity and setup costs. Setting up a Home Storage Gold IRA is more complex and involves higher upfront costs compared to traditional IRAs or even traditional gold IRAs. There are fees associated with establishing the self-directed IRA, forming the LLC, and potentially ongoing administrative costs. It's important to factor these costs into your overall decision and ensure they are justified by the benefits for your specific financial situation and investment goals. Potential for misunderstanding and scams. The term Home Storage Gold IRA can sometimes be misused or misrepresented by less reputable companies. It's vital to thoroughly vet any provider and ensure they are legitimate, experienced, and committed to full IRS compliance. Beware of companies that promise overly simplified or too good to be true solutions. Due diligence and independent research are essential to avoid scams and ensure you are working with a trustworthy provider. Ongoing management and record keeping. Maintaining a Home Storage Gold IRA requires ongoing management and meticulous record keeping. You will need to keep accurate records of all transactions, storage arrangements, and ensure continued compliance with IRS regulations. While the ongoing fees might be lower than traditional gold IRAs, there is still a responsibility for consistent and proper record keeping. Is a Home Storage Gold IRA right for you? Determining suitability. A Home Storage Gold IRA is not a one-size-fits-all solution. It's a powerful tool that is best suited for certain types of investors. Investors seeking maximum control and autonomy. If you prioritize direct control, self-direction, and want to be the ultimate custodian of your retirement precious metals, a Home Storage Gold IRA aligns perfectly with your philosophy. Individuals with a strong belief in precious metals. If you have a deep conviction in the long-term value and protective qualities of gold and precious metals, allocating a significant portion of your retirement portfolio to physical metals within a Home Storage IRA can be a strategic move. Those seeking enhanced privacy and financial discretion. If financial privacy and confidentiality are important considerations for you, the Home Storage Gold IRA structure can offer an additional layer of discretion compared to traditional financial institutions. Investors with larger precious metals holdings. The potential cost savings and ongoing fees with a Home Storage Gold IRA become more significant as the size of your precious metal holdings increases. For larger investments, the upfront setup costs can be more easily justified by the long-term benefits and reduced ongoing expenses. Sophisticated and informed investors. Home Storage Gold IRAs are not for novice investors. They require a certain level of financial sophistication, a willingness to understand complex structures, and a commitment to meticulous compliance and ongoing management. It's best suited for individuals who are comfortable with taking responsibility for their investment decisions and managing their own assets. Conclusion: embrace the golden opportunity of a Home Storage Gold IRA. In a world of economic uncertainties and eroding trust in traditional financial systems, the Home Storage Gold IRA presents a compelling and empowering alternative for retirement savers. It offers a unique blend of control, security, diversification, and the tangible allure of physical precious metals, all within the tax-advantaged framework of an IRA. While it's essential to acknowledge the complexity and responsibilities associated with Home Storage Gold IRAs, for discerning investors who prioritize control, security, and long-term wealth preservation, the rewards can be substantial. By taking proactive steps to understand the mechanics, seek expert guidance, and ensure meticulous compliance, you can harness the power of a Home Storage Gold IRA to build a truly golden nest egg, safeguard your retirement future, and take control of your financial destiny in a way that few other retirement vehicles can offer. Embark on your journey to financial sovereignty and precious metal retirement security. Explore the world of Home Storage Gold IRAs and discover if this powerful tool is the key to unlocking your golden retirement future. Remember to always conduct thorough research, consult with qualified professionals, and make informed decisions that align with your individual financial goals and risk tolerance. The path to a secure and golden retirement may well be paved with precious metals held within your own, carefully structured Home Storage Gold IRA. Also, I would recommend that you get a completely free Gold IRA guide that is written by the best and most trusted Gold IRA company that I have found after over 20 years as an expert independent gold researcher. This free Gold IRA guide will explain everything you need to know and will also answer any questions you may have about gold IRAs. This is the best guide I have seen in my lifetime as an expert independent gold researcher with more than 20 years of experience, and this is the best guide available anywhere, in my opinion. Also, when you get this free Gold IRA guide, you will get free access to the top Gold IRA experts who will provide you with personalized support and help over the phone, and they will answer any questions you may have. To get this top free Gold IRA guide, simply go to the link that is in the episode show notes, or go to the link that is in the episode description. So again, to get this top free Gold IRA guide, simply go to the link that is in the episode show notes, or go to the link that is in the episode description. This free guide is really worth getting. Simply go to the link that is in the episode show notes, or go to the link that is in the episode description. Also, this audiobook is not financial, investment, or tax advice. For financial, investment, or tax advice, consult a financial, investment, or tax advisor and take full responsibility for any decision you make. This is the end of this audiobook. I hope you enjoyed this and found it valuable. I would really appreciate it if you could please share this with everyone you know and leave a positive review for me. So again, I would really appreciate it if you could please share this with everyone you know and leave a positive review for me. All the best to you.